It's the next day now. If you guys watched the last video, we put Christmas lights on the car. If you guys haven't watched it, go watch it because it's a really good video. I love how that video came out. But at the end of the video, we did some donuts. I got home 5 minutes later and the car started misfiring. Oh, hell no. Uh-oh. No?
You have a scanner?
As you guys can hear it, it sounds horrible. Literally horrible. It sounds like a freaking boat or something, or it sounds cammed. It's not supposed to sound like that. I sent a video to Sam. Sam said that does not sound good. Try to bring it to the shop so you can check it out. I haven't started it since. We're gonna start it right now. Hopefully it's all good. Someone did comment in the last video saying that last time they put Christmas lights on their car, I had this plugged into the battery, by the way. Someone said last time they did this, that their car started misfiring. And what if it's like something with the battery, like taking the battery away? I don't know. Maybe it was using too much battery for those lights and it caused a misfire, but at the same time, it was working fine up until I started doing donuts. So I think it's the donuts that messed it up. Hopefully, it's not misfiring. It sounds fine. It literally sounds normal. I just need to make it to 412 and we're good. I need Sam to look at it and make sure, but put on a scanner or something. So far, so good, I think. But anyway, what's up, guys? We're watching another video. Ow! Stabbed myself with the door, bro. Today is day 5 of Vlogmas. We're still at it. I haven't missed a day, and I'm not gonna miss a day. Today we're gonna head to 412 just so that Sam can check this out for me. And then also I think Joseph wants to film some McLaren that's there. He said there's a badass car there. So we get some content of that. Look, just came on, guys. Check engine light. I don't know what that is, but this road is horrible, by the way. But we're almost to 412. Driving for like an hour straight, but the light barely came on when I got off the freeway right now. So we're almost there. It is starting to idle weird again. Good thing we're only like 15 minutes away from the shop, but we just made it to 412. They got a lot of dope cars here. Those are the ones we're gonna film today, but we made it here. We're gonna get the car detailed right now. A detail is gonna come by, wash the car for me, because it's really dirty. There's a bunch of handprints and like pieces from the tape are still on here somewhere from the lights that we did. AMG? But yeah, this car definitely needs a wash, as you guys can tell. Super dusty everywhere. So let's get it washed, proper detail inside and out, and then we'll figure out the misfire. 412's packed right now. Bunch of BMWs as always. And then look at these 3 supercars. McLaren. Damn, I think it has the Senna seats too. That is fire. And then an Audi R8 with the convertible, and then a Ferrari F8 with the convertible. All convertibles, all spiders. Look, they all come up too. Damn. Which one would you guys take out of all these supercars? If you had to pick one of these, which one would you guys take?
Which one would you take?
I don't know. I might take, I don't know, bro. Maybe this one, because the doors. Or the F8, either between those two. R8s are sick, but I don't like them convertible. The Senna seats too. I think I'd definitely take this one. This one looks like a race car, bro.
I would take Audi.
The Audi? Really?
Hot dog.
Is it a hot dog? It does look like mustard and ketchup.
Which one would you take?
The McLaren?
600 LT, man.
I know, me too, I think. The McLaren. McLaren or maybe that one too, but I want an R8, but I feel like these are like another level of R8.
These exact setup, the 600 LT.
Yeah, me too. That shit has Senna seats too, bro. All Alcantara inside. Look, the whole dash is Alcantara. Definitely take this one. This one's probably the funnest and fastest too. Seats are insane, dude. Anyways, comment down below. Which are you guys taking out of the mustard and ketchup? Christmas? Imagine getting this under the Christmas tree. An exhaust. Oh, I gotta show you guys this F80. Look at this. F80 M3. It's actually bulletproof car. The guy who powder coats all my wheels. He picked up an F80. He's had one in the past, but he had to buy another one. That's how you know the F80 is a fun car. You buy 2 of them. But it has a Millennium Jade wrap. It's pretty, a little bit different than my GTR wrap. On camera, Loki looks kind of the same. In this light, it kind of looks the same. But if you look at it outside, and if we put my GTR wrap next to this, my GTR looks more like green, I feel like. This one looks more like a teal blue color, but still sick. Millennium Jade F80. This is how my car would look if I wrapped the Millennium Jade. Looks pretty sick. I like the lip. I like the carbon hood too. It's fire. Carbon hood, carbon roof. There's a lot of carbon. Carbon mirrors and BBSs. And look how low he is, bro. How does he drive it this low? Static, by the way, which I don't even understand how. That is way too low. It looks good. I wanted to show you guys real quick. Guys, a couple hours later and the car is all clean. Hella clean, bro. These dudes did a hella good job. Bro, the wheels are literally perfect. Bro, he literally washed the inside of my car for over an hour. Look how clean it looks. She looks brand new. Junior's putting it on the scanner. It's about to tell me that my motor's blown. Crane cub, rod knock, all the above. But the car looks so clean though. And guys, I didn't even mention it in any videos yet, but we are updating the headlights, upgrading the headlights, updating the headlights, whatever you want to call it. We are getting new headlights for this car. We're going to do 2018, 2019, 2020 headlights that you guys see in all the new BMWs, the Icon headlights. I cannot wait. It's going to change the entire front end. It's like the last thing my car is missing. It looks so good. Sheesh.
You blew your motor, bro.
Imagine. Sheesh. Look at those HREs. We got to show Sam this. Blown engine? It says running lean, huh?
Yeah. Why?
I don't know.
Maybe flip on.
We erased the codes and Sam said he's gonna test drive it, see if it's good. Look at the lineup right now, guys. God damn. Sick. Alright guys, well, it drives fine. It drives normal, bro. It's so weird. I don't know why it's check engine lights coming on and off. But we cleared the codes now and we went for a little test drive and the code hasn't came back on. So I guess we just wait. Sam says just drive it. See if the code comes back on, then we'll put it on the scanner again. And then we'll see what happens. But the codes that we got said that it was running too lean. He said maybe you put bad gas, but I think I put Chevron last. So I don't know. I don't know what's happening. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's just tripping out for some reason. I don't know. It seems fine. It's driving fine. But it is getting late, as you guys can tell. We might go meet up with Kevin and some of the homies in LA tonight. Gotta finish this vlog. These daily vlogs are not easy, guys. It is so hard to vlog new stuff every single day. Check this thing out. You guys remember this car? Nyjah Houston's M8. So fire. It got a new lip. If you guys remember that video where he was doing skateboard tricks in here, and as he was coming over here, he hopped over that exhaust and he accidentally hit the car with the skateboard, his own car. He hit the lip and he scuffed the front lip. It wasn't even that bad, but all because of that little scuff, he got a whole new front lip on Vorsteiner. Baller, huh? Must be nice. You guys know I got in trouble for showing this car? He got mad at me, bro. I revealed this car before the owner did, before SEMA. But it is a nice car. Look at the E30 with red carbon fiber on it. BBS's. As you guys can see, he got no exhaust, bro. Because it runs out the hood, just like my E46. I'll put a clip right here. I filmed it the other day here at Phone 2 when I got here. But it's just gonna spin like crazy. But yeah, it's sick. You can see a little exhaust sticking out. The sick SE30. Hopefully soon we can bring my freaking E46 here. Just like I said, look how busy Sam is. He's fixing that drift car, building another drift car for him. He's fixing this and all the other kind of work that you guys see. Supercars and drift cars, literally. But once he has some space, we're gonna bring the E46 here. Hopefully very soon. We have all the parts that we need to fix it too. Except for the wide body kit, but we don't need it. But I need to go pick up the wide body kit. We are doing this exact kit. Well, not this one because it's not the E36, but same brand. We're gonna do the Street Fighter kit, guys. It's just gonna look sick. This is our E36 wide body, but we're gonna do the one on the E46. I'll throw a picture right here. That's the body kit we're gonna do. It's gonna be so freaking sick. I cannot wait. Car's gonna be way wider. It's gonna look so much better. We just gotta think of what color to wrap the E46. It's red right now, but we're gonna change it up. All right, guys, some time has passed. Now we are here at Nikon's house. We're jumping in an M8, all of us, Chris, Nikon, and Kevin, all hopping in an M8 because they wanna do some, what are we doing? Look at him with the
Cop
mask.
calls.
They're trying to do cop calls, guys. We explained this last time in the vlog, but they pretty much have a police scanner and they're gonna try to beat the cops to the calls before the cops. So here we go. I've never done it, but they always do this shit, I guess. I'm really driving the M8 too.
Kevin, you want to sit in the back?
No.
Come on, G.
I'm good right here.
Let me instruct Nick where to go.
No, you're too dumb.
What the fuck? I do this every night. What are you talking about?
Guys, this shit sounds crazy. He put intakes on it, if you guys remember.
Look at
GD. Oh, that GD is
was
actually nice.
what did they say? I can't even hear it, bro.
They said an orange Lime Rock is getting robbed right now. It's stolen.
No way.
Intakes sound insane on this car. I don't know if you guys can hear it on the camera, but that shit sounds sick. It probably sounds crazy from outside, huh?
You don't even do sport. It sounds
What
crazy.
the? How do you put this shit in sport?
M2.
M2, this one, right?
Alright, Nikon, what have you found?
I know.
Nothing?
So
Bro.
we got a canine with
I know I'm trying to poke you with this right now.
but we're just waiting for a call to come in, guys, of like a robbery, a shooting, something crazy.
No, nothing's gonna happen.
No, I will. What?
We get called on the radio. There's an M8 racing.
More smokers in it. And man, with a ski mask. With a ski mask.
I know you got my ski mask on. But yeah, we'll see what kind of call we get and we'll try to beat the cops, guys. I'm gonna try to launch you guys.
Kevin, you know if you hold your phone on your chest and you let it off when he launches it, it'll suck on your chest.
What?
The phone, the G-force will push it against your chest.
Oh! Dude, this shit's crazy. Yeah, that shit doesn't even hook all-wheel drive.
That was crazy. I felt like the little nerve go down to my, you know what? I swear.
Your little new what? Who know what? Oh. We're racing people. Oh shoot, look at our rate.
XM2. Finding.
Bro, I can't understand anything she's saying.
I know. How the fuck do you?
How do you get these fools are like cops themselves?
By the time we get there, the guy's gonna be gone.
Guys, okay?
Alright, we're gonna try to make it.
Got cocaine for sale. Hey.
Look, we found the cop, guys. We're probably on the same call.
Oh, he's pulling in the parking lot.
I told you.
Oh, go in there, go in there.
Hey, should we pull in the parking lot?
For booking it.
Oh, that kid went to my high school.
He's snitching, bro.
Yeah, he's snitching.
Where's the guy that was
Like,
looking at
I
his
swear to God,
weed?
like,
Where's
he
the
went
guy
to
that
my
was
high
looking
school. All right, next call. Wait, what if they shoot him? You don't have to shoot him.
Bro.
What the?
Huh?
He's in cuffs.
So cracked down, you just didn't pay attention.
Bro, this shit is insane. I should do a full POV with this shit. Oh. The cops?
Hey, you're driving, G. I'm not driving.
Bro, it launches so hard. You can hear the intake's crazy. Yeah, this shit's insane. And he has like the paddles. Look how they sound.
JQ.
They need to make some GTR ones, bro. We're still trying to find cop calls, but there's not that much crime tonight, I guess. We gotta do this on like a Friday night. It's probably crime. It's Monday night, bro. No one's breaking into cars.
Like holidays, like New Year's and shit.
Oh my god. Bro, this shit launches so hard. Damn, the pop sounds. For real? Those are stock burbles?
You know what I think?
That's
This is
crazy.
Like a one-of-one M8 CS.
The ambient lighting's fire too.
It should be blue. The fuck?
I hope you guys can hear the intakes. That shit sounds so sick. What color should we do? Blue?
Blue's a brand.
Blue is hard. What about red?
Oh, okay.
Will it look cool?
Mr. Finding.
Like our cars, G.
Not yet. You gotta wrap yours.
Oh, they don't have it. They have orange.
Put on the
Life with
sport
KG
displays.
spec? Kevin spec?
Put on the sport displays.
What the?
Alright, ready, Nick?
I want to
No cops? Ready?
What, do I take off?
Yeah.
What did it hit? I wasn't looking.
I was looking either.
Oh my god. None of us are looking?
It hit like 580. Second gear.
God damn, bro. Oh, shit. honestly might be a good race on my GTR, bro. Stock M8 versus full bolt on GTR.
You gotta feel like 3rd to 4th to 5th. That's what it rips.
I gotta get a G80, bro. Or something with ambient lighting.
570.
Hey guys, while we out, we only went to like one of those police calls, but if you guys want to see like a whole video dedicated to that, I think it will be funny. They have seen some crazy stuff on these police calls, and they always tell me, come through, you gotta vlog this, bro. I think people would like to see it. So if you guys want to see it, we'll actually go find all the police crime with their police scanner. That was a cool little night. We didn't really do much. We pretty much just cruised around in the M8, and I got some content for you guys a little bit. All right, we're back in the F80. I think one time the homie Chris was in a Jeep. He responded to a call of like a Jeep breaking into something or something. The cops were looking for a Jeep, and this dude pulled up in a Jeep, bro. And I guess the cops pulled him over and were interrogating him, like a bunch of crazy stuff. So dumb, bro. But if you guys really want to see a whole vlog doing cop calls, let me know down below. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that little M8 cruising. We also took the F80 to phone 2 earlier and got that checked out. Check engine light is still off, so I don't know. I guess we just keep driving it tomorrow. I still think it was the Christmas lights bugging out because we had it plugged into our battery. That's what I think, and I think I've seen a lot of comments telling me that too. So far, the F80 is fine, except for the coilovers, as you guys can hear. But those should be here in about 2 weeks. Fortune Auto sending me out 2 new coilovers for the front, so that's good. If you guys remember, these are blown, and that's why they sound so bad. Tomorrow we got an interesting day. I think we're going with Kevin to go buy some carbon fiber parts for his M4 GTS. So stay tuned for that. That'll be a cool vlog tomorrow. And I believe our homie Daniel got starlights in his G80, so we'll also go check that out too. So tomorrow's vlog should be dope. If you guys enjoyed today's video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.